paella and you always want to learn how to make it at home, then stay tuned. Today we're going to be making my take on this Spanish classic. This year for my birthday, my good friends Rob and Hillary sent me some saffron, and I can't think of any better way to use it than by making my take on this Valencian rice dish. Paella at its core is an amalgamation of many Spanish flavors and textures, which marry together to form a dish with an amazing depth and variety of flavor. But just because it has a complex taste doesn't mean it has to be difficult to make at home. And I'm going to show you how. So here's what you'll need. So the key to a good paella is your timing. You want to make sure that you put all of your ingredients in at the right moment so they all finish cooking at the same time. And then after that, it's all a matter of playing the waiting game to allow the flavors to marry. So let's make some paella. you go, that's my take on a classic paella, but this is a dish that can be made in so many ways. So feel free to be creative and make a paella that's truly your own. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.